Hey, everybody, live streaming. Uh, uh, let's start. It's been a rough week. It's the end of the year. I have a lot of things to do, a lot of ideas, but it's just hard. It's it's very it's very tough sometimes because you just gotta think about, when you create a video, and I'm not specialized in making videos, but it's tough, like setting things up, like you have to have a script and all that kind of stuff. But anyways, let me choose some music here. Um, there we go. I think I'm ready to go live, or I'm live. I'm already live. Yes. Ah, good. Perfectly. Everything is already set up with one click. So it's unclear as to what our members would receive after paying. Can anyone help me bring it to life? Okay, that's a big ask. That's basically product management right here. Groove. For any music fanatic looking for new music discovery experience, you will help artists stay independent. 50% of platform membership fees gets paid to all artists. Unreleased music. Unlimited. Check this out. So is this like some kind of Spotify alternative? That is a market that it's extremely hard to change to disrupt. Spotify music industry. There's too much going on. I almost feel like, oh, bring it to life. Well, the first thing I would do is I would make this into some almost like a table. Like think of pricing pages. You make a table out of this and you type, benefits. And then you space them out, right? Is this a benefit to you? You'll help artists stay independent? No. You move that out. 50% of all platform membership fee, you move that out. Unreleased music, that is a benefit. You keep that. This is not a real benefit. We don't believe in algorithm. That's more like you slim your product down. I don't understand this benefit. Move it out. This is a benefit. This is a benefit. And this is not really a benefit. So suddenly you've improved your benefit table by saying, hey, sign up to our platform and get access to unreleased music merch, music equipment, event guides, all that stuff, unlimited 20% discount, and access to members only community. On top of that, you will help artists stay independent, help them achieve financial freedom, and you'll be rewarded by not having an algorithm dictate your choices, etc., etc. So that is how I would do this. I hope that makes sense. Don't tip support, stickers. Oh, and then there's like a thing here. Oh, there you go. Literally the same text I was gonna say. Oh, so he's repeating himself. So that's what it is. So bring this up. Bada bim, bada boom. And you're up at the top of the mountain. Move your pricing box from the bottom of the page to the top, and half your problems will be solved. Hey, Armand Yeryanian? That's a cool name. Armenian, I suppose. Cool. Oh wow, what? It just deleted everything. I would move the pricing box that you currently have at the bottom of the page towards the top, as that highlights the benefits much more clearly. Perfecto. Lovely. Yeah. Next. Okay, I just did this wrong. Cool. Rose my landing page plus sign up plus learning process. Nah, I want to do this one. I like when people have avatars that aren't default. For some reason, that gives me like almost like some kind of trust. Does that make sense? Like that aren't default. For some reason, that gives me oh, whoops. Feedback. Didn't want to do that. I want to just pop. Okay, sorry. I was trying to look if I could see the chat. Let me type something in the chat real fast. Hello. There you go. That way I can see if people are commenting. Who knows? Always good to keep that in mind. Okay. And the next one, therefore, is Dominic Ilnicki. Dominic Ilnicki. You got it. Hey, I decided to redesign the embedtables.com. Okay. Okay, let's have a look. Before, after. Ooh, I love these. These are amazing. That's my favorite kind of stuff. One here and one there. And then I drag it. This is the before and this is the after. Okay, before. Get Google Sheets on your website in 5 minutes. So, beautifully embed Google Sheets or Airtable data into your website in no time. Join beta users. Ooh. Yikes. Bad call to action. What does that? This is so... Okay, why is this call to action bad? Why would you think this call to action is bad? Well, it's because it doesn't make sense. It's not something that's actionable. You're joining beta users. What does that mean? Does that mean that you're on a wait list? Does it mean that you're starting right away? Does it mean... What does it mean? We don't know. So I would totally not say that way. I would say what exactly happens. Okay, so you're just signing up for $1 a month. So see, that's why it's a no-no. So, and then there's a live demo button. And the live demo button, where does it take you to? A live demo. Cool. So it's kind of, yeah, that's nice. There's a live demo. I mean, not a lot of people do live demos. So it says this data, this graph, I'm not too sure what it's trying to say. It's saying data coming from Airtable comes here, data from Google Sheets comes here into a website. Do they come at the same time or can you just choose? Which one is it? Is it that or is it that? Embed your data anywhere or everywhere. WordPress, Wix, anything with HTML support. How it work? 1, 2, 3. Provide a share data URL. Choose my template, and then copy paste the data. Nice. Examples. Dominic. Okay. This is the before, and now he's done a new job, right? He redesigned this, and he's like, right, this is my new version. It's wider, a lot of white. Get Google Sheets on your website in 5 minutes. But that's okay. I mean, a lot of white, it's not a big deal. As long as your eyes don't hurt. Get data from what? So here, you're just using the icon. If people are not familiar with these two icons, which, I mean, I know what these icons are, right? So, but do you? I mean, it is Airtable and this is a spreadsheet. And then you integrate with these other ones. So if I could improve something here, I would make bullet points, you know, Airtable, spreadsheet, integrate with WordPress, Wix, any other website. How it works: 3 icons. I like the fact that you had 1, 2, 3, something like that, and then some examples. This website here, it's made with ET. That's cool. You should highlight this, that you're using your own product to build this website. Let's join beta users. That doesn't make much sense. So consider not saying that. Change it to help me support the development of this product for $1 a month. Very nice. Okay. And you could do a much better job, because you could have some images here on this page that show the product as you use it, like feedback, sorry, not feedback, but like a loop, right? Like MP4 of your screen where you use the product and you kind of show, oh, it's simple, it's drag and drop, and you have an image, and you have a little MP4 here, .mp4 file, and you have some text that shows the benefits. So the MP4, the animation image, reinforces the text that you write. So, provide a shared URL to spreadsheet. You could make a video out of this and show how easy it is to get started. And then you talk about testimonials on your page, but you have none. How hard is it to get testimonials? Just have a friend literally go out and say, oh my god, Embed Tables is amazing, because I can now have and pull data into my website that keeps refreshing from a spreadsheet. So use some videos, images to support your benefits if possible. It's always a good idea to show and tell, not just tell. Also, what about social proof, right? I said I need to learn to type faster. There we go. I'm gonna focus on it. If I can type faster, then nobody falls asleep in this live stream, because I can type faster. People stay engaged. Okay. Next, automate ad banner design. I love that. My team and I just launched an AI banner design called CROLO. You can get Facebook and Instagram banners designed automatically for free. You forgot to include the link to your landing page. Nice. Someone already gave you feedback 7 hours ago. Automatically designed Facebook and Instagram banners for free. Okay, let's see. This is kind of like the mission, right? Like the product. Generate beautiful banners ads fast and free. Try now. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3. I need an image, a text, and a logo. And you generate this. I like the idea, the concept of this. It's very straightforward. It's beautiful. And then you show how the banner ads are generated. I feel like something is missing here. In this whole section here. I feel like there should almost be like a call to action down here, instead of try now up here, because people are gonna be like, automatically design Facebook ad Instagram banners for free, and then they'll be like, okay, and they scroll, and guess what? This button gets totally obliterated, and you don't get to see the button anymore. So now, next, that's why you want to move this button right here all the way to here. Whoops, that's it. Right here. Simply upload product image and text. So like we said, 1, 2, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, and the outcome is this. I love it. Design is totally automated. Advanced design techniques are used dynamically for high quality banners. CROLO. Background removal, image upscaling, color balancing. Done. Okay, this is something here doesn't work. Design is totally automated. This image here, it's not really showing me that the design is automated, it's just showing me that there's a bunch of filters. Like, is that okay? It's not about design. This is about optimization of assets that then get used into banners. So that's a little bit different. Need many sizes and colors? Done. Perfect. That's just download banners you love from a collection. So this shows me that you can easily resize your banners, but what it's not showing me is how is it doing it. Does that make sense? Like you should have one like what do you want to show here is like this banner, for example, in different like sizes, and then some buttons, some UI that says resize and change colors. Instead, you're showing me like whole different kind of banners, so your text doesn't get supported by the image. Get banners designed now for free. Try now. I like this, kind of impactful, I wouldn't call it a lead magnet, but it's like an alternative call to action, right? Built in Seoul, Korea. Nice. I am going to link you guys. Hey, our team is currently offline. Alright. Hi, no. Check out my review of your site on this live stream. Fast forward to see my thought. This is like life hacking, right? Like growth hacking. I'm telling people about their website design on their web chat plugin thingy. So let's see what this other person said. The website is not responsive. Try now leads to server error. Click on sign up leads to so he tested everything. Sign up. This is a typo. Login button only good as long as they're pinkish background. I will try now. Shouldn't super Video GIF and image could further emphasize. I agree with this. I haven't tested all these. I've been definitely, on these live streams I don't go that deep. For the reason that it's just counterproductive to try it all. There's so many websites to analyze. Yeah, that all this feedback is valid, probably better than what I told you, but mine is more from the landing perspective. Cool. Alright. Matthew McConaughey. Before I built this landing page, I was a software engineer. Now I'm a full-time video editor and graphic designer. LOL. I'm intentionally concealing what product is does this post to then reply later in comments about what my intentions are. Let my website have it. GoMailMerge. Okay, comments by Pretty Cold. If I have to describe as a one-liner, is GoMailMerge a product to send bulk emails in a swift manner? Send thousands of emails with the click of a button. Yeah, that makes sense. It's a Google Workspace add-on that enables you to send an email campaign with a few clicks. Attach dynamic respective attachment for each, schedule campaigns, track email, etc. Imagine you need to send 10,000 emails with a unique attachment for each email. This will take at least a few hours of work. GoMailMerge enables you to... Okay, I love this. This is a great little product. How many times did I have to attach this thing? But now, let's look at this. I see absolutely nothing. Even if I zoom in, okay, I need to zoom in like 250% to see what's going on here. Where do you attach the attachments? Where the attachments at? Oh, you can add attachments. But are they yeah, I don't know if it shows. Alright. Reset. GoMailMerge is the most advanced and simplest mail merge add-on for Google Workspace. Defining features. GoMailMerge is the only mail merge add-on for Google Workspace with the following features. Nice. I like this. This is very cool. Good job for making this. This, you have text and it's supported by images. Now, are these images perfect? Nah, they're probably not. But it's a good start. I would use the spacing a little bit better here. It feels a bit cramped together, crammed, definitely. Simply input a folder path with the column names from the spreadsheet, and GoMailMerge will automatically add each unique attachment. Ooh, a folder path. Interesting. See, that's what's missing in this demo up here. So you can make this text a little bit better by just like, like highlighting what makes sense. Intelligently add dynamic and static attachment. Just say like, manage, send emails with attachments. That's all you gotta say. And then in here you explain something like specify a folder path inside the spreadsheet, and MailMerge will automatically attach the file to be sent. Something like that would make you just trying to cut down the wording, right? To make it super brief and to the point. This are all the use cases. Get started, more like use cases. Or rather, something like that. Process. Or like step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So it's not even use cases at this point. It's literally just how it works, right? This is how it works. Trusted by many companies. Rami from Go Ideal Software, and then there's a call to action here, but it's missing. Something here should be like, are you also suffering from mail merge issues? Because that's exactly what the problem is. It's that people don't have mail merge into Google, into G Suite, into all that stuff. Oh, made in Dallas. We're neighbors. Cool. I like the footer. There's a little thingy here. Honestly, this is a very refreshing and useful tool. I'm not gonna lie. I think the logo sucks. The call to action here is nice, but it's kind of like, what's the point of this and this? Might as well just remove this since you have it here. I guess it's because it scrolls, right? But you can have this disappear. All right. Nice. Nice. And things that you're missing, social proof, some data points that says how much faster is this than like me sending, than me sending emails one by one, or having to do some, Mailchimp. Like imagine this, right? You have Mailchimp, you have to add for every customer or every person an extra field, and each field has a URL to the file or the attachment. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So I think what's missing in the product, now let's talk about the product. I like this product, so I like to talk about it, is how you're gonna manually add the link to the file for each, because Google generates some weird links. So yeah, I don't know. Also, I want to change this track. Let's change this music and let's put something else. Let's put wow, the recommendation engine isn't helping me. See if I can change the music real quick. Someone give me... Okay, sorry about that. Alright, Mr. DJ. Perfect. I jump from one to the other. So different style, much more relaxing. So let's give him some. I love your product. I think there's a huge market for it. How do you grab the URLs from Drive to add into the spreadsheet in a quick way? Do you have any more social proof? Revisit some of the text on your page to make sure it's easier to digest. There is a lot of copywriting. Sorry, I spelled that wrong. You can do to make it flow better, and also use the space to read. I think those are the main ones. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, and last one, the logo. There you go. Perfect. And the domain is sick. GoMailMerge. Like, it's a mail merge for Google. GoMailMerge. It's so smart. Seriously. Boom. That's why you get to upvote the good stuff. Releasert landing page feedback. Releasert. What's Releasert? Hey, I'm about to try and find a few early adopters for my product, Releasert, just before I clear out with my journey. I like to get strong feedback on my landing page. I try to make it as simple as possible. Okay, I built this product after realizing there's a huge pain in most of companies for release notes. Aha! Changelog stuff. Release notes. Release note delivery made easy. Who are you sending it to? Use your favorite project management tool and automatize? That's not a word, is it? Please. Oh my god, it's a word. I thought it was automate the process of writing and delivering release notes. Easy to set up, even easier to use. Call to action is there, live demo is there. It's a big trend, right? This live demo, everyone's doing it. If I click it, it loads it. This is your main hub. Okay, we'll check this in a bit. Oh, uh-oh. Hijacked my back button. How it works. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Keep using one of your support services you do, so you don't have to move away. That's good. So right now you use Trello, and you want to do it. So you're not really able to use your own any service, right? Use your favorite project management tool. So you're lying. Blah, blah, blah. For now, right? For now, right? And then you add subscribers. Define groups somehow. And then you can send it. And then there's a cool interface. That's super hard to see. I cannot see anything. Guys, I have a normal 27-inch screen on full HD, like 1080. It's not... If I had a... Imagine I had like 1040, it'd look like this somehow, right? It'd be even worse. Is this... Why do people do that? What is this? This trash. Segmentation is in our blood. Don't use this. This is not a good copywriting. This is not a good example. Don't use these weird terms. It's not marketing friendly. Say easy to use interface, you know, which is very generic, but fair enough. This is definitely not a benefit, by the way. If you build something, it should be easy to use. It shouldn't be a benefit. It shouldn't be a feature, right? It's just you should have by default that it's easy to use. So think about that. And segmentation is in our blood. So remove that. So you basically show that you have basically like group management, you have integration, and it's not just an email. And then there's more. I mean, this is a whole different product, right? I like this. Not a lot of people use this. This is very good. It's almost like you add a persona to your page. So you say, hey, are you this person? Are you a startup? Are you an agency? Are you a huge company? The pricing, and there's no features. What do you get? What do you get with this pricing? How come you only have one tier? Do you only have one set of features? Can I, usually, you know why people put 3 tiers in pricing? Because it's some psychological thing where nobody goes for the expensive one. A lot of people go for like the middle one or the cheap one. That's 99% of the reason why there's always 3 plans. It's the psychological. Is it a trigger? I don't think it's a trigger. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's leave some comments. All right. 1. Images are hard to read when they're so tiny. Can't even click on them to make them larger. 2. Please don't use terms like in our blood in your landing page copy. I think it's counterproductive. Also, comma, make sure your features and benefits are actual features and benefits. Easy to use isn't either. Oops, I made a typo here. What else did I say? Oh, the thing about, if you say you support any project management tool, first you say, then you mention it's only for Trello. So which one is it? Don't lie to your users straight out. And then let's look at the live demo real quick. Main hubs, upcoming releases, and this is where you... Wow, this is it's a long onboarding experience. I just X'd out of it. So this is a release. What does it look like? So 1.9 sent to all these people, registered users, 4 nodes. So for each group of user you send a different one. That's cool. Yeah, I think there's definitely a market for this. Yeah, it's kind of like a product built on top of email for easier handling of email segments. Sweet. Mailchimp is used for a lot of stuff, but yeah, don't let that stop you. I think it's a great product. Harris Basic, cool name also. Harris Basic. That's a cool name. All right, let's see. Where are you from? Doesn't say. All right. Well, that's cool. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Should we do one more? Anyone in the chat? Nah, just me. Alright. Where's my landing page? Jais already. Alright, dude, you got it. The best way to grow your startup. And look at it. Oh no. This is a sales landing page. It's not a real product. You're selling a Notion table or an Air table. Okay. And everybody does this. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. This is short and quick. This call to action, okay. That's the only... I think you didn't use your call to action colors properly. I have never seen a call to action that has the same color as the background of the page. That's the first remark, the first critique. What you get? Unlimited access to a growing database, bullet points. Guess what? I still can't click on it, but that's fine. And also the text here is kind of hard to read, but not impossible. Is this okay, here's this text. In the what you get section, the text could be easier to read. Please make the gray look a little bit darker for ease of read. For the sake of our eyes. And then so let's do a full-on breakdown. First of all, is this telling me what the problem is? Not really, but it's telling me what the product is about, right? So if we look at, what did Harry Dry say? Harry Dry marketing examples. This guy is a genius, as many know, or as many people like to say. I mean, I like his content. He's very smart. Probably not the most unique content, but presented in a very good way. So explain the value you provide. So are you doing that? No, you're just saying the best way to grow your startup. But everybody knows that this is like saying the fastest car in the world, right? And you shouldn't say that. You should say what the product is, and it's at 150 plus growth and conversion strategies. That should be your main title. And then in the thing is, in this little sub header, the H2, you should say how will you create the how will you give me this thing that you're giving me. I don't know if that makes sense. That probably doesn't make sense, but my point is, you should be saying, stop wasting time coming up with strategies. Use one from the 150, or all of them rather. Use one or more from the 150 that I provide you with, that have been vetted, something like that. That's what Harry Dry tells you, right? Is explain the value you provide, right? Like growth for free, right? That makes, like I have all of these strategies, etc. How you'll create it. The subtitle is, okay, I'm giving them to you for the price of whatever it is. Then you make people visualize it, and you're doing that. That's great. You have this example. Social proof. Let's talk about that. No social proof. So that's another one, right? That's social proof is always social proof. Anyone who used your data to grow their company X-fold. And then the last one is make the CTA. I already said that the CTA sucked because the colors they wouldn't stand out, especially here. I understand here, you might want to change it to make it, I don't know, make it a different blue, but definitely I see it like this. These things here, only 7 copies left at this price. I guarantee this is bullshit. It's just, it's just like a little text. It's like the growth hack, right? I kind of smell these things, but some people fall for it. So fair enough. There is nothing wrong in testing it. And then once you sell, he's probably gonna go and update and make this, a dunzo for 49 bucks. Which sucks, because if you don't have any more of these to sell, and then people don't want to spend $89, then what do? You just lost the sale. So this FAQ is just like extra content. Yeah, at this point, if you read all of this, I don't think you need this FAQ. But I appreciate the fact that you've added it. There's nothing wrong with doing it, I mean, it's kind of, this product is self-explanatory. It's 150 growth tactics. You get, a simple way to visualize them. They're categorized in a way that it makes sense. And if you basically follow some of them and you work hard, but you gotta work hard, some of them will help you get more signups, increase your revenue by generating more sale, acquiring more users, etc. Unfortunately, the thing is, there's so many people selling this data, you might as well just go and buy a book. Someone should like buy all of these and make them free, so their content's gone out there once and forever. But yeah, and I like there's a nice footer, and there's a lead magnet here, so good job. Okay, very nice. Everybody, I think this is the end of today's stream. I had a good time, and I hope you learned something, or if you haven't, and if you watched this video, I hope that you had a good laugh about the things I said. I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. It's a short step for you, and it's big for me. I'm trying to get to 1,000. I need to grow the channel like 10 times to get there, but once I get to 1,000, that's when I can start seeing the fruits, of this tree, the YouTube tree. So, with that being said, I hope everybody has a good rest of their day or their night, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching, and have a good night. I mean, I'm going to bed soon, so